Okay, so I am on the bridge right now, and guys, I went for a walk again. You know, that view is beautiful. Maybe you remember that I have been right there already before, and I have promised y'all that I will show you the view like that view, but in the night, and I actually did. So I filmed that. So check it out right now, real quick. Yeah, that's a beautiful view. And to be honest, guys, I have to confess that I was sick. I was actually sick. I wasn't feeling well last week. Like, I got a sore throat. I got a stuffy nose. I don't know. I could die actually, maybe. But fortunately, I didn't die. I survived. And right now I'm back to business. I'm here. So happy to see this world, if you know what I'm saying. But I still have this kind of a little bit deep voice. It's deeper than my regular voice. And to be honest, I like that. I sound like a grandpa. Like this. Yeah. And I'm very hungry already. Like, I have just arrived here to take a walk around, and I am already very, very hungry. So we definitely will go to some coffee shop because I want to buy a sandwich, and we're going to do a sandwich review right now, probably. You can see that blue sky, but it's mostly cloudy, very cloudy today. It was even raining yesterday and the day before. It was pouring for the whole day, but right now it's not pouring. I hope we're gonna have very sunny week. And in exactly 1 week, I'm going to go to college, to university, back to university. Is going to be my last year at university. I'm quite excited, guys. Are you student? Like, will you also go to university? Because if you will, I have something to share with you, some very good tool. Guys, if you're learning English at university or preparing for an English exam like IELTS or TOEFL, you know, you're going to probably read a lot of difficult texts with academic English. And to be honest, sometimes academic English is very hard to understand. That's where SciSpace can help you a lot. With SciSpace, I can open a difficult English text, select a paragraph that I don't understand because the vocabulary here is too advanced, and I can ask something like, explain these parts in simple English. And SciSpace AI generates a simpler explanation, and in just a couple of seconds, I can understand the idea much more clearly. Also, SciSpace can extract the difficult terminology from the text and automatically organize it into categories. You see? For example, here it separates scientific terms, agricultural terms, and general academic vocabulary. And it already gives me the meaning of the words right here. So instead of looking up every difficult word one by one, I basically get a ready-made vocabulary list from the text that I can save and study later. But this is just one way you can use SciSpace. Besides that, it can also help you with paraphrasing, generating citations, and even literature review. So it's going to help you a lot if you're reading or writing in English. And right now, guys, you can get 35% off the SciSpace Max plan and also 40,000 credits using my discount code. So I'm going to leave my link in the description and in the pinned comment. You can check it out. Now I will go to this grocery store and buy my sandwich. I haven't tried sandwich here, but I'm going to. Wow, such a huge watermelon. I love watermelons. That's actually huge, like, oh my gosh. In my hometown, we ain't got such a huge watermelons, but we have in our garden so many fruits and bananas and apples, all sort of fruits and vegetables, onion, carrots, beets, Dwight Schrutes from the beet farm. You guys know what I'm talking about if you watched The Office. Let's try to find a sandwich. Wow. How much does it cost? How much? It's $9, guys. This pack of watermelon costs $9. Compare with your country and tell me, is it that expensive? So guys, I found this kind of sandwich with salmon. You see this sign of fish with salmon. I need to pay for it, and I can sit somewhere here. I can heat it up in microwave and I will eat it. We got a cafe right here. So I paid for this sandwich, and now I'm standing in the line waiting for my turn to get served. We got microwaves there. I could actually also buy this kind of pizza. It looks delicious, man. We got all sort of food here. That's crazy. Look at that dog. So beautiful. Guys, I've actually decided that I will eat outside because the weather is great and I like this street. I just need to find a place to sit. For example, there I can sit. All right, sandwich is done. It's done. Japan. Yeah. This street is quite empty now. Do you remember when we've been here last time? I was walking actually the opposite way. I was walking right there. I like it a lot, you know, when buildings have different colors. This building is pink, that is yellow. It's also yellow, it's kind of beige. Whoa, it's so sunny right there. Let's go. And guys, finally, a couple of days ago, musician, he's playing pretty well. He's professional. All right, news. A couple of days ago, I went to the cinema and I watched Spider-Man Brand New Day. Finally, I watched that. It was amazing. I almost cried twice because like it was so emotional when his aunt May was talking to that redhead girl, Sadie Sink. I forgot the name like of the character in the movie. Heartbreaking love story, to be honest. Very, very heartbreaking. I hope that in the next part, Peter Parker will be together with the redhead girl, with the Sadie Sink. Because like MJ doesn't remember him anymore, so they're not gonna be in love. No, they're not gonna be together, I bet. And while I was talking, we got to this street with many cuisines. For example, here we got Turkish cuisine, Turkish restaurant, Italian cuisine, many different cuisines. We can just walk slowly, with no hurry, enjoying this European streets. Oh, pigeons are crazy. Mascot, huge mascot.
Интересный какой, да?
It's a camel with two humps. All restaurants are empty right now because it's Wednesday, it's work day, guys. It's a work day and everybody at work. Even American restaurant is closed. What is going on? Would you guys, would you like me to film a day at my university in September 1st or September 2nd? I don't know. Would you like to see my university again? Oh man, it's finally warm. I even feel hot. I feel hot wearing this jacket. I feel very hot. Thank God it's finally warm. I realized I can't live without sun. Sun is the most important for me. And it is so beautiful when it's sunny outside. Okay, today is a great day. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you also have a sunny weather. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for learning English with me together, you know, and I just wish you that you keep going with learning English, because if you like it, if you love it, you have to love learning English. You will definitely become fluent very soon. If you just, guys, if you just don't stop learning and enjoy that, and you're going to become fluent. I love you all. Thank you so much.